So Ford and I love to start every morning with some music, despite my horrible singing voice. The benefits of music for babies and kids are well researched, but something a lot of people don't know is that when we combine music with movement, we get an even greater benefit, and it can help tons with language development. So I'm going to take you through a couple of our favorite movement songs that Ford and I like to do throughout the day. I'm Kelsey Baas, a doctor of physical therapy and founder of Compleo and Compleo Kids. Are you ready, Ford? What do you want to start with? So we'll start with a classic that everyone knows. If you're happy and you know it, are you ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap, clap. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, jump up and down. Jump, jump. If you're happy and you know it, jump up and down. Jump, jump. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up and down. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. All right, you want to try another one? You are so interested in everything in the room. You want to try to show them one of your favorites? Let's do Itsy Bitsy Spider. You ready? Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Another favorite that everyone can do is Wheels on the Bus. So just anytime you're singing, make sure you're doing the motions with your baby. Ready? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The driver on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The driver on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The kids on the bus go up and down, up and down. Up and down, the kids on the bus go up and down, all through the town. And you can see at the end how he started to mimic. And when he is not, again, when he's in his home environment, his comfortable environment, he's doing the motions with us. So at 8 months, they're starting to imitate hand movements. So it's really great way to get them putting movements with words, working on that language development. Ooh, and brain development. That was a big one. You laughing? Okay, do you want to do one more? Okay, ready? Hands are clapping, clap, clap, clap. Hands are clapping, clap, clap, clap. Hands are clapping, clap, clap, clap. Clap those hands all day. Feet are stomping, stomp, stomp, stomp. Feet are stomping, stomp, stomp, stomp. Feet are stomping, stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp those feet all day. And he's telling us he's done with music time right now, I think. But try some songs at home. Comment your favorites. This is also a great way to get older siblings involved. Our 5-year-old loves doing songs with him, and he'll make really silly movements. He'll stick out his tongue. And so be creative in your family. What are you trying to get your toys? And start incorporating the daily music time. Where are you going? What's under there, huh? Oh, come here. It's okay. It's okay. Good job.